Cardano holders, today has been a very good day for us, especially if you've been patiently holding your ADA throughout its long, grindy consolidation pattern. But it's not just a good day for ADA. Obviously, the entire crypto market is doing really well. You can see we're putting in a giant green candle on the total crypto market cap, and Bitcoin and Ethereum are breaking their all-time highs today. So it's basically green all around. You can see here on CoinMarketCap, we have big gains for almost every single cryptocurrency. ADA is obviously doing very well as well. In this video, I'm going to be talking about where I think Cardano is going to be heading in the short to midterm, because I really do think that we have not seen anything yet from Cardano, and I'm going to be talking about that in this video. I'm also going to be doing some more short-term technical analysis on ADA. So before we get into the video, I want to remind you guys to hit that like button, also hit subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also join our Discord server, link to that down in the description below. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and dive into the video. So the first thing that I want to talk about is that Cardano is just at its all-time high that was set in 2018. So in 2018, you can see we had an all-time high, a blow-off top at about $1.40. And that's where we are right now, $1.40.7. And if we take a look at the Bitcoin chart, you can see Bitcoin tripled its all-time high from 2017. And 2018. If we take a look at the Ethereum chart, you can see Ethereum's up about 60% from its all-time high. So the reason I'm saying this is just to give some perspective of where ADA is at and just how much room it has to potentially increase in valuation. So I do think that the rest of the altcoins are going to do what Bitcoin did and potentially 3x their all-time highs that they set in the last market cycle. So when Bitcoin rallied from 10K to 20K, its previous all-time high, altcoins were sort of stalling out. And then not so much longer after, the altcoins also rallied to their all-time highs or got close to them. And I do think that the exact same thing is going to happen, in that the altcoins are going to basically do what Bitcoin did, which is basically tripled their all-time highs, but they're obviously going to lag behind Bitcoin. That's what we've been seeing so far, where basically Bitcoin sends the trend, it does something, and then not so much longer afterwards, altcoins do follow Bitcoin. So far Bitcoin has basically created the most separation from its all-time high, but I think that we will see altcoins do the same thing. And you can see Ethereum here is doing really well, and it's created some separation from its all-time high. And I think that some of the other top 10 altcoins like ADA are going to do that eventually. So I think ADA has so much more room to run for the remainder of the bull run. And BNB is a perfect example for this. I do think that ADA can get to the market cap that BNB is at right now. I don't see any reason why that wouldn't happen. I think that it's inevitable. So you can see that BNB is at an $86 billion market cap, whereas ADA is at a $45 billion market cap. And if we do the math here, you can see that's about a 1.9x, which if ADA got to BNB's current market cap, which I do think it will and beyond, that would put ADA at about $2.80, almost getting to that $3 level. And I do think that's possible for ADA in the midterm. And guys, as you know, I think that we are entering a ginormous altcoin season, and the way a bull market sort of works is it's not linear whatsoever. So the vast majority of the gains tend to happen near the end of the bull run. So for basically the first half of the bull run, we don't get half of the price movement. We get more like 10 to 20% of the price movement. And the last final part of the bull run, that's where we get the most explosive moves. And I do think that in terms of time, we are entering, nearing that 50% mark or around that kind of area. But in terms of price, I don't really think we even got close to 50% of what these altcoins are capable of doing. So hopefully that was a good dose of hopium for you guys. I don't think that was too much hopium. I think it was pretty much grounded in reality. And I don't think that anything I said was unrealistic in that the altcoins could triple their all-time highs. I think that's definitely possible. I mean, a lot of people expect a 4, 5, 6, even a $10 trillion total crypto market cap. And right now we're just at about $2 trillion. So for some of these alts to literally triple their all-time high, I think is very possible. So if ADA does triple its all-time high, we're looking at about $4.20 if you take the all-time high to be $1.40. So I do think that's a realistic price target, and I do think that ADA will go past $4. But anyways, now let's get into some more short-term technical analysis for Cardano. So you can see that we finally broke past the $1.34 resistance that we basically got rejected from here, and once again we came up and got rejected from it here again. And you can see once we broke it, we had a massive candle to the upside. And I did say that I think once ADA breaks this $1.34 level, $1.50 will be coming very soon, and I do still think that that's the case. I think we can see $1.50 in the short term. Again, it might not happen literally right now, but I think within the next week, $1.50 is very, very possible for ADA, and maybe even sooner than that. However, we have flipped $1.34, the resistance at $1.34 as support now. So if we do have a throwback to retest $1.34, I know a lot of people are probably going to be panicking, but I think that's very healthy and that's possible. And if we do have that, I think that's a very good entry price if you do want to enter ADA and you haven't done so already. I think $1.34 is probably a good zone. And I think that once we close a daily candle above $1.50, which would be a confirmed breakout from this massive ascending triangle that we've basically been playing in for over 2 months now, or yeah, about 2 months now. I think once we see a daily close above $1.50, which is our upper resistance, that will be the start of a giant move for ADA. And you guys know that my short to midterm price target is $1.80 from this ascending triangle. And I think that we could very well see $1.80, potentially even $2 in April. But I do want to look for that confirmation, which is a daily close above $1.50. That is the breakout confirmation. So until we see that, we haven't really technically broken out yet. We're kind of still playing in this consolidation pattern. Although ADA is looking very healthy right now and the entire crypto space is looking very healthy as well, we have not had a confirmed breakout from this consolidation pattern. So a throwback to this lower support is possible. I don't think that we're going to see that, but until we see a daily close above $1.50, that is definitely possible to see. And if we do see a throwback to this support here, we're looking at about low 20 cents, so $1.21 to $1.25. That's possible. I want you guys to be to understand that that could happen. And if we do see that happen, that would be the opportunity of a lifetime to re-enter ADA if you haven't entered in basically this giant 2-month reaccumulation zone. So yeah, I think that once we set a daily close above $1.50, we like all hell will be let loose, and I think that we're going to see massive gainers for Cardano. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit that like button. It really helps with the algorithm. Hit subscribe if you want to see more videos. Join the Discord if you want to talk to a bunch of people, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.